So the very last Ford Escape ever built is still on sale months after being produced, and FordAuthority.com has the scoop.
Motrolics.
When production of the Ford Escape ended at the Louisville Assembly plant late last year, late in 2025 that is, it truly marked the end of an era. The Escape, which was introduced in 2000 for the 2001 model year, it instantly made history as Ford's very first crossover. And despite being late to the compact segment party, it remained popular among shoppers and buyers throughout most of its run. But after roughly a quarter century on the market, Ford has decided to end Escape production in 2025 to make way for a wave of upcoming electric vehicles, starting with an upcoming electric pickup. The good news, however, is that the very last completed Escape to roll off the line at Louisville is available for sale as I record this. The model in question is a 2026 Escape ST line, and it's currently for sale at Van Horn Ford of Sheboygan. It is in fact the very last drivable model of the Escape ever built. This model was assembled on December 17th, 2025, to a healthy amount of fanfare at the plant. This particular unit is decently equipped for those who have to deal with, let's say, snowy conditions. And that's because it has all-wheel drive and the cold weather package, which includes heated seats, mirrors, and a heated steering wheel to boot. It's also equipped with the panoramic Vista roof, which is great for summers or just whenever you want to glance up instead of forward at the road. All of those features put the MSRP of this last produced Escape at $38,000, but the dealer is currently advertising this vehicle at $31,859 on its website. And that includes $3,000 worth of factory incentives and an additional $3,660 of a Van Horn discount. Now, based on the snow that's on the tires in the photos of this Escape, it appears that it's been sitting at the dealer for at least several months now, making me wonder just how long it will be before it finds a buyer. Now, the potentially temporary demise of the Ford Escape has followed years of hints from Ford CEO Jim Farley that the model was going away. Most recently, the chief executive explicitly stated that the nameplate didn't fit into the company's modern brand, which relies heavily on icons like the Ford Bronco and the Ford Explorer, among others. Ford is currently in the process of pivoting to an electrified lineup that includes hybrids, plug-in hybrids, extended range vehicles, and battery electric vehicles, the latter of which will ride on the company's Universal EV platform, otherwise known as UEV. So after the very first of these vehicles based on the UEV platform, the pickup, after that model goes into production in 2027, then a fully electric Ford Escape will be on track for production at Louisville in 2029. So this might not be the very last vehicle called the Escape, but at the same time, it's probably the last internal combustion powered Escape. Before I go, I'd like to extend a special thanks to Ford Authority reader Vidya M for helping us with this report and to track down this vehicle and some basic information on it. For FordAuthority.com and the Motrolics Network, I'm Alex Luft, and I will catch you in the next one.
Motrolics.